Hey, this is Mike with Riding in the Ozarks, where we talk riding, rallies, gear, and wrenching. We're headed into Plug Uglies. I heard they got the Street Reaper done for the stereo upgrade. We're gonna go check it out. All right, so we're out here at Plug Uglies, and Corey's got the stereo done. Yeah, I screwed his name up a minute ago. Screw it. Yeah, whatever. So anyway, Corey and Cody are brothers, and I said Cody instead of Corey. I do that a lot.
We're on take two.
We're on take two. So anyway, he's going to show us what he's installed in this thing. Then we're going to let you guys hear it. So take us over here to the Street Reaper and show us what we got, man.
Take four.
Take four. All right, man. Show us what you put in this thing.
So we did an Aquatic AV head unit, which is a direct plug-and-play unit for the 98 to 2013s. Could be a little off on my years. But all your factory controls work. No need for extra wiring, no need for a steering wheel harness or any of that stuff that you would normally need. I believe it's a 50 watt by 4, 288 watt channel amplifier. Just if you put it in the head, if you put it in with no amplifier on it. What I did with this one is I ran the head unit, 2 NVX 400 by 4 marine amplifiers. Did AD design 6.5s with the components, so it's got the tweeters and the crossovers. Mounted them in the fairing. We'll step around, you can see it.
So those are 6.5s with components.
Yep, those are 6.5s with the component tweeters. The crossovers are mounted in the fairings along with the amps. Ran 4 dB drive, 6x9s in the tour pack, and then also in the 6x9s, or in the
saddlebag.
In the saddlebag, yeah.
So we got 6x9s in the tour pack and in the saddlebags. So 4 6x9s in the back and 6.5s in the front.
6.5s in the front.
So 6 speakers total.
Yep.
Running off 2 amps?
Running off 2 amps, yeah. So
right on.
Give you a little sample of it.
April's going to run the phone so we can play some music off of it. Tell her when it's ready.
It's ready. Now, as I said, all the factory controls still work with this head unit, so you can still run your
So, for people that aren't familiar with this bike, you guys, you built this bike for somebody, did a whole bunch of stuff to it a few years ago, right?
Yep. Yeah, when it came to us, it was a stock bike, a lot of bolt-on stuff, but it was a fun build.
So all the floorboards and all that stuff that I'm gonna show here in a B-roll in a minute, you guys put all that on, and then your brother did all the hand airbrush. So now this is decal work.
Yeah, all the airbrush work, about 300 hours of airbrush work in it is what's in it all around. Made Cody want to quit airbrushing, take up flipping burgers.
Yeah, it'll do that. Yeah, I know you guys had this for several months, but yeah, it's an awesome looking bike, and this bike rolls out of Illinois, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, and it keeps coming back. We've got the owner, actually, he's got a couple other bikes that we work on, and he takes this one to shows, so he doesn't really let it sit outside at the bars and whatnot. So he's got another one that he rides. I did some work on it for him. I did the audio on it for him, and then he couldn't hear this one from the original time we built this one, and he wanted to upgrade this one. I don't think he's going to have a problem hearing it anymore.
No, it sounds good, man. So, yeah, we've got a video that we showed some of what was going to go in here. We did several months ago. So I'll throw a link up above to the video we did the first time showing the components and stuff before he installed them. You can go back and check that out if you want to see more about the Street Reaper. And yeah, if you're out at some high-end shows or if you're at Sturgis, you need to watch for this thing because it has made its way there, and I'll probably expect to get there again.
Oh yeah.
All right, well, man, thanks for showing us the bike.
Absolutely.
And we'll come out and check out whatever else you got going on next time you get another cool thing to record.
Oh yeah. I'll keep you posted when I do mine.
I did I showed some white paint. I think it was called Abilene House of Color
Yes,
that they just did
glide.
on a road glide here a while back and stuff. So they do some really cool stuff. So you'll see more videos coming from these guys.
We'll actually be doing the audio on that one soon too.
Oh, you're gonna do an audio system in it?
Oh yeah.
You're gonna do the same kind of thing?
I think we're gonna do a one-off for him. He's wanting to do something kind of like what I did with this one. He's wanting to kind of piece one together. It's gonna be a lot of fun. He heard this one and he fell in love, so we're gonna do his too.
Cool. All right, so you ready? We're recording, so you ready to go?
I guess so. Are you
All right,
ready to go?
yeah. So we're out here at Plug Uglies, and Cody's gonna show us what he's got done to this thing for the stereo system, and then we're gonna guys, Corey, shit, cut.
Just let it ride.
Bloopers.
Fuck it, let it ride.
All right, man. Well, as always, if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. If you like YouTube content, make sure you check out my channel. You can subscribe down below. Hit that bell to be notified the next time I drop a new video. As always, thank you for your support. Stay safe and keep on riding.